What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Halfway Kicks. If you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, you should also check out our Instagram page.
Oh, yeah. Halfway_kicks.
I go by AJ.
And I am Bendo. What do we have?
Early access?
Well, it's just early pair. No access. Shall we open it so we could start talking about it?
Yes.
These are another pair of ones.
Heritage Jordan 1s.
Heritage Jordan 1s. I opened it the wrong way, guys. I'm sorry. It's my first time. Here you go.
Yeah.
So, the box.
That's a nice box.
It's kind of cool. Right?
Cool. Yeah, I like that box.
The razzle dazzle on the box, white and red.
That's definitely going to stand out in your shoe collection.
Yeah. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, I see red laces. Go ahead and grab a pair. I will also grab a
these
pair.
are nice.
They are better in person.
I do like them more in person.
They are really nice in person.
Heritage ones, as we said, right?
Yep.
Heritage ones. They could have made the white part more tumbled, because the red part.
They could have.
The red part is tumbled, but the white part is just like regular
normal
leather.
Jordan 1 tongue.
Oh, but man, what is how many pair of ones is coming out this year?
They're gonna keep pushing ones because ones and dunks are just
they are on fire right now. So red on the toe box, and in the heel tab you got the red also, and the black tumbled leather right here by the ankles with black laces. Is that extra laces in there?
There is. You got the white and the Suwoo.
The Suwoo red. Yeah, these are way better in person.
Red sole.
Where is this inspiration from?
Jordan 1 red? No, not
no.
red.
This
Jordan
Heritage
Chicago. There you
Chicago. Go. So they reversed it.
They remixed it.
Flipped it.
Razzle dazzled it.
They did, and I'm feeling it. I feel like this would be a good summer shoe.
Oh, summertime is coming up, huh?
With the high white socks.
High white socks. Yeah, man. Great summer shoe.
Jordan 1s. Back
Back again with another pair of Jordan 1s. You think Jordan 1s are falling off, or the hype is going down?
I don't know. Marinas, how did they do?
Not too well.
Did okay.
What's resale on these right now?
What size is this?
This is an 11.
Resale's $198.
$198.
That's not bad. Jordan 1, what's retail again?
$170.
$170.
So very close to.
And this is early too.
And it's early.
Chicago, man. Did they have? Oh, they did have a majority white jersey, didn't they?
Yeah.
Right?
They had a white jersey.
Home jersey, right?
I would play in some ones. I would play basketball in some ones. I kind of want to do it really bad.
I think I would too.
Really?
I think you get a lot of court feel.
The sole on these are, pretty dope. Just like you got all the directions that you might be able to go to. Because now, I'm kind of old. I could just go back and forth.
That's true.
I don't know. I feel like AJ1 are like slowly dying down, which I don't mind because I'm a big Jordan fan, no matter what the shoe is.
Honestly, I think it's just the dunks craze, bro. I think once the dunks craze dies out, AJ1s are gonna pick right back up.
Because I used to pick up when I used to work at Nike. I used to pick up Jordan 1s at the outlet. The Laney ones that I wore, I got those for $49.99.
What was that other one? The Laker color one called?
Oh, which one is that?
It's a weird name.
Yeah, sure.
Fact
Take your
checker.
time. But those are sitting.
Oh, the Brotherhood.
Yeah, that's.
That wasn't weird.
Shout out to.
That's not a weird name.
Why is it called Brotherhood?
Because that's a fraternity that Jordan's in.
The colorway is the same. Oh, okay. Okay, man. That's pretty. I was gonna use that, but that's pretty dope. Won't show his face, but he'll show his fist.
Do that again. He showed a wrist.
Damn, that's the
Oh, my bad.
Oh!
You think they're oversaturating the market?
Yes.
Too many?
I don't. I honestly think it's the dunk sprays.
Well, you guys asked how many's coming out. There's still 11 of them coming out.
11?
For this year?
One?
Yeah, so they-
2 of them are women's.
Oh, shit.
11 pair of Jordan 1s. So 9 pair for men's.
Damn.
Is that all of 2002? I mean, what?
2022.
What year?
Where is he living? It's your last week. It's your last week. The only one I want is that black, yellow, and white one. Like
Georgetown, 85.
Oh my goodness. I want that so bad.
Ooh.
That did well. That did well.
Yeah. Did they release them a sneakers app, huh?
Yeah. And we lost.
We all got L's.
We
Yeah.
lost that one.
You know me and sneakers app. They know me by Leonard or something. With my name starts with the L over there.
Lendo?
Lendo.
Off the top? Off
Off the top of the dome. But yeah, man.
I
Jordan
think 85
ones,
Georgetown's are the last one that did pretty well.
I still want those.
Amaneer ones, they didn't. I mean, they're okay. They didn't do that well.
They didn't, but...
They didn't do as well as the threes for sure.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. But man, I want those Jordan 1s.
What was that?
I just want the Georgetown 1s, man. If anybody in the comments has them, size 11, 11 and a half, or even a 12, let me know. Let's talk.
I'm surprised these aren't doing well though.
Well, they haven't released.
No, I know, but like even the resale, like usually if it's
Oh,
not
yeah.
out yet, the resale, like
Early.
what's the
Okay.
no, Jackie Robinson dunks, they haven't released yet, but they're going for like a thou.
Wow. A thou wow for those dunks, huh?
Yeah. So
Damn.
I mean, we've seen it. If they're not out yet, they do have high value, but these don't.
Not these Jordan 1s.
I think people need to see them in person because in the pictures, I didn't
Yeah.
really like them.
These are gonna sell out no matter what.
You think so?
Yeah. It's black and red.
Yeah, that's true.
It's black and red and white.
Great summer shoe.
Great summer shoe. Good one. For the first time.
And the box is
The box is
dope.
fire. The box is
know.
fire.
You know what? Jordan 1s, comment below if you're gonna cop them. But these are better in hand. I've seen the pictures and this is my first time opening them and they are way better on hand than in the pictures.
Are AJ1 lows doing better than AJ1 highs right now?
I don't know. That's a good question because all the AJ1 lows that restocks on Nike app, they all sell out.
Yeah. Mids for, okay, I know we don't like mids, but mids for the new generation are selling.
Yeah, they are.
They are selling.
Yeah, they are. But I gotta admit, some of the mids, the colorways are dope.
They are.
They should make those into a high,
Yeah.
but they will still sell out even though it's mids.
Because I don't think the younger generation cares if it's
No.
mid or not. They just like the AJ1 look.
Wear what you like.
Or would you like?
Wear what you like. Jordan 1 Heritage. I was about to say Brotherhood. Here it is. The video. Comment, subscribe, and like. And make sure y'all say bye to Drew because this is his last time working here. Peace.
We'll see you next time. Huh?
I missed it.
Do you want me to put these away?
No, go ahead.
You don't like
You know, you
No, because I was like,
you know how he feels.
great summer shoe.
I beat you to it. Let's go.
The dog got mad.
You woke up that dog.
Duke, quiet down.
Damn, racers too. So like, is he coming or going?
Is that one spot?
He got the text. My parents are gone.
Oh shit.
Come through. What's up, everybody? Like that?
No, you gotta get your, you gotta get your DJ voice.
What's up?